Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, my hair is different. As you can tell, today's video is a DIY hair video. My hair transformations seem to be like some of the most popular videos on my channel, so I guess you guys like to see me experiment with hair stuff. The last time I permanently dyed my hair was actually the end of September or like the first few days of October. I can't quite remember, but it was my $9 fall hair transformation. I may link it below if I remember. That was about 6 months ago. I did do my purple hair transformation at the very beginning of the year. It's actually the first video that I posted this year, but that was something that washed out. It wasn't like really a permanent hair color. So if you don't count that, it's been a while since I did one of these. And so tomorrow's the first day of spring, and I think that I thought it was time for a change. In this video, I will be using L'Oreal Féria box dye. It says Power Red here, but the actual shade is Intense Deep Auburn. So I actually only used one box. I bought two. This is the one that I didn't use. I usually always use 2 boxes when I dye my hair. I recently had it trimmed, and I got away with just using one box for like the first time. When it comes to box dye, my favorite brands are L'Oreal and Garnier. Before I jump into the video, I just want to tell you that this comes, you'll see me kind of go through this in the video as well. The L'Oreal Féria, this specific dye color line or whatever, comes with a lot in just this one box. There's like 7 products in there, including oil serum, color booster, and you can see that my hair is pretty close to that. I am going to stop blabbing now and just jump into the video, and I will be back at the end. So enjoy this little hair transformation. I think I'll go take a stroll for a while. Conditioning shampoo and a shimmer conditioner, damn. Hey! Damn, this color is crazy. Oh!
What?
Nothing.
Are you bleeding?
have it. This was kind of a quick video. Hair transformations are just hair transformations. I'm just gonna kind of walk you through what I did, show you what the kit came with, and the end result. So today I did flat iron it as best I could, and I also used L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil, which I've had forever. It's like at the very bottom, and the Garnier Flat Iron Perfector. I feel confident that this color will be long lasting, and I am pretty happy with this outcome. I think that I'm especially happy that I could do my whole head with just one box of dye. Now I can hopefully go exchange the other box. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and if you want more hair transformations, let me know, but I need to give my hair a little break. Yeah. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video, hopefully.
Always an exercise in futility.